Hi there. Chlorine is a nonmetal, so when it forms an ion, it is going to gain one or more electrons. And this question wants to know, how many electrons is it going to gain? Well, as we look at the periodic table, we see that chlorine is atomic number 17. So as an atom, it has 17 protons and 17 electrons. Let's go ahead and write the electron configuration for those 17 electrons. It's going to be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, so we are just following the Aufbau rule and filling up these subshells with electrons. So far we've placed 10. After 2p comes 3s. We'll put 2 there. And then we just have 5 remaining, so 3p5. All right, as we look at the valence shell here, the third energy level is the highest energy level. So these are the valence electrons.